Hello, you're watching NewsX with me, Riya Dwivedi. Now let's take a look at the top story of the hour. JD Vance is in the Pink City. US Vice President Vance is on his very first visit to India and is in Jaipur on his second day of his trip. Vance is accompanied by his Indian organ wife Usha Vance and their 3 children. JD Vance has arrived in Jaipur on a special plane, and JD Vance and his family are expected to tour several historic landmarks in Jaipur. Later in the day, he will address an audience at the Rajasthan International Centre, and on his first day to India, the visit, remember viewers, he met Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the latter's residence, and both the leaders said that they are making good progress on a trade deal between India and the United States. India has been trying to avoid US tariffs and at the same time also trying to build a strong relationship with Trump administration. So now we know his power-packed visit. We earlier saw that JD Vance came to India and his first day of the visit was in Delhi, where he met Prime Minister Modi, and it was a key bilateral talk between the two leaders, and Prime Minister Modi also interacted with JD Vance's children also. And there was significant progress that was made between the two leaders' meeting that took place at the Prime Minister's residence. Now the second leg of JD Vance's visit is in the Pink City, and there are huge security preparations that have been made, and he's set to visit Amer Fort. That's what we are getting to know. He will visit Amer Fort at 9:30 a.m. and he arrived in Jaipur later in the night yesterday, and he's accompanied by his wife Usha Vance and their 3 children. And when we're talking about his visit to Jaipur, it's a power-packed visit that is slated to take place. Firstly, he'll be going to Amer Fort, and then afterwards he'll also be interacting with the Rajasthan governor as well as Chief Minister of Rajasthan, and afterwards he'll also be visiting several other historical landmarks. The key significance of this visit is the fact that he'll be visiting several landmarks in Jaipur. We have with us my colleague Megha Sharma, Senior Executive Editor, joining us live from Amer Fort. Megha, it's a power-packed visit of JD Vance in the Pink City. What exactly is it looking like over there where you are? And obviously, what is the significance of his visit to Jaipur?
Right, it's a 4-day visit for Vice President of America, JD Vance, in India. This is the first time that JD Vance has ever arrived in India in an official capacity. Yesterday we saw, conversations that were taking place between Prime Minister of our country and the Vice President of United States of America, particularly with regards to the India-US bilateral agreement that has been the focus point for both the countries. And it has obviously brought into the forefront what the fruition of the trade deal is going to look like. There has been, in fact, a term of reference that has been built, has been created. This is going to help both the countries in finally fructifying this deal. There have been issues with regards to tariffs, about the interest rate cuts that have been demanded by the American administration, and India is likely to adhere to all these concerns that America has raised during Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to US, and obviously after that the fallout that had happened after the Trump tariffs that were imposed across a number of countries in the world, including India. However, there has been a 90-day halt, and the idea is to sign a trade deal, a tariff deal between India and US, so that trade does not get hampered in any way for Indian entrepreneurs as well as for the American investments. Now, talking about Jaipur, it's a semi-official visit, the 4-day visit of JD Vance, because he is going to be making these appearances, public appearances like the one that he is going to make in just a few moments from now at Amer Fort in Jaipur, which is where I'm standing right now. This is the venue, and he will be arriving in just a short while. He will be received by the Chief Minister of Rajasthan, Bhajan Lal Sharma, and there is tight security that has been put in place all across the city of Jaipur. There have been placards, there have been hoardings, signboards that have been put welcoming J.D. Vance. His pictures have been plastered on those placards and on those hoardings welcoming J.D. Vance to the Pink City, to the capital of Rajasthan. He will be accompanied by his family, which includes the second lady, Usha Vance, as well as his three children, Evan, Vivek and Mirabel. And they will be touring this iconic heritage structure, Amer Fort, that is a 16th century architectural marvel built by the Rajputs and also has hints of Mughal architecture that is very reflective in its structure. Now, there is obviously J.D. Vance is staying in Rambagh Palace, which is another heritage structure that Jaipur is proud of. He checked in with his family yesterday night when he arrived from Delhi to Jaipur. After having finished his visit to Amer Fort, he will again be traveling back to his hotel, and after taking a lunch break over there, he will be arriving at the Rajasthan International Centre, which is in the heart of Jaipur at the Jawaharlal Nehru Marg, where he will be addressing a number of dignitaries that have been invited to participate in this event. The likelihood of him speaking about India-US trade ties, India-US bilateral and diplomatic relations is extremely high. Now, after that address gets over, which is going to last about an hour, he is again going to be headed to Rambagh Palace, and this is where he will be greeted by the governor of Rajasthan, Haribau Bagle, as well as the chief minister of Rajasthan, Bhajanlal Sharma. There is the industries and commerce minister, Colonel Rajyavardhan Rathore, who will also be present and will be meeting the vice president of United States of America.
Megha, we are getting to know at this point of time that the Rajasthan CM Bhajanlal has arrived at the Amer Fort